I started one way with this and then I wound up doing it like this. So this is everything that's listed under the video. And of course this is the pork. So we take the mix, spread it out all over. Hopefully there'll be enough for all of this. If I have enough to go around the sides, I will. But the way it's going right now, I won't. So we're going to do it like this. So if you want to encrust it all around, just double the ingredients. Otherwise, leave it like this. And I set the convection oven, 350 convection bake. Well, it was just enough to make for this. A little bit. A little bit left over to maybe that's all we got left. So I'm going to just add it to where I see naked right there, and it really doesn't matter much. And there we go. The oven is ready. I'm going to rinse off my hands. The recipe where it says sage butter, just look for my recipe. I did it this morning. So you have to look for the recipe for sage butter because I don't explain how to make it on this video. And give space so the heat gets in there. Okay, going in the oven now. As you can see, it's a little bit pink. Pork no longer has to be cooked because of a problem with trichinosis. So that timing was good and that pork is nice. Hope you enjoy it.